Welcome back to the Justice James YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 things I hate about my Range Rover. Stay tuned. When I first got my Range Rover, I knew it was going to come with its pluses and minuses. It's a very expensive luxury SUV, so with that should come expensive maintenance, expensive parts, etc., etc. But had I known then what I know now about the upkeep on this car and the cost just to keep it on the road, I probably would have opted for a more economical choice. So of the 3 things that I hate most about the Range Rover, the first is kind of a love-hate relationship, and that's with the air suspension. So when the air suspension works properly, it's great. You can adjust the ride height, you can adjust the sensitivity for different terrains, but when it's not working properly, it's an absolute terror. So within the first 2 years of owning my 2010 Range Rover Supercharged version, I had both of the front air struts go out, which you can see in some of my other videos. Unfortunately, you have to take the good with the bad, and with Range Rover's air suspension, the good is that you're going to have an extremely comfortable ride that's adjustable and provides you with a lot of ride options. The bad is that when they go out, they are expensive to fix. So I got mine fixed at an independent mechanic for about $11.50 an air strut. If you try to go to a dealership, they'll charge you somewhere between $1,800 and $2,200 per air strut. The place that I took mine to, instead of replacing with a brand new air strut, they take refurbished air struts that come with a lifetime warranty and use those instead, which I was completely fine with. The second thing I hate about my Range Rover is the cost of maintenance. I should have known this getting the car. It's an expensive luxury vehicle, but the maintenance on this thing is outrageous. Just the normal services can cost anywhere from $600 to $1,400. If you have anything go wrong with the vehicle and you have to have it fixed, that can get extremely pricey as well. The only way to own a Range Rover and not completely break the bank with repairs is to either A, get a Range Rover that's leased and under warranty so that they'll fix all the issues for you, or B, get a great relationship with an independent mechanic who can offer you parts at a discount and also much cheaper labor than they'll offer at the dealerships. The third and final thing that I hate about my Range Rover is the gas mileage. This thing is an absolute tank. It's a 5.0 liter V8 supercharged, and it weighs close to 6,000 pounds. And because of all that, this thing drinks up gas faster than any other vehicle I've ever owned. Currently, I'm getting 12.8 miles to the gallon. I'm having to fill up my tank 3 to 4 times a month, and that's mainly just to commute back and forth to work, which is only about 15 miles away for me. So with California gas prices, even getting the cheap Costco gas, I'm spending about $350 a month on gas, which is absolutely ridiculous, and has encouraged me to purchase a motorcycle that I can use to commute with, because the cost savings on the gas alone will be well worth the motorcycle. Those are the 3 things that I hate the most about my Range Rover. I made another video about the 5 things that I love, so be sure to check that out as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like this video. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.